So this is the morning we're leaving, and it's a terrible send off. It's it's drizzling and rained. I've just had a look at the rain radar. It doesn't look like it's easing up that much, so we just got to get wet and pack up and go. So anyway, just got to pack the awning up. Kel's just packing up in here. And then we'll hit the road. .991 kilometres this car's done. Oh, of course there's a fucking raindrop right where I don't want it to be. Should be pretty fucking good. Overshot it. My bad. Shit. Still packed up. Ready to roll. Yeah. Did you do a U?
I did. Don't hate me.
We'll just we'll punch down the road for 100 k's or so and then give her a check and make sure everything's still where it should be.
There she goes. Bye, house.
Five kilometres an hour. That's how we're rolling at the moment in peak hour.
Loving life.
Oh god. Sweet, so we got the other side of Perth, got out of the rain, finally. Looks like it's going along the bottom there, so yeah, just checking everything over, making sure she's all where it should be. It's all pretty sweet. Nothing hanging off, which is a bonus. Hopefully I put the handle in there. I'm pretty sure I did.
Moment of truth.
Yep, yeah. It's there. Phew.
How long till that goes wrong?
Yeah. Should try and order a spare actually, because it'll definitely be one of those things you just Leave the handle on there.
Going nowhere.
Nah, it's pretty solid. It's good. Cup of tea, cup of tea. For once, we're actually catching traffic, and I actually have to pass someone because they're holding me up. Never happens.
Another caravan. We're not used to this life.
No. Yeah, we're 5k's to destination on first day. So we've done 660 odd kilometres to good old Port Gregory, one of my favourite little coastal towns. It's pretty cool. Oh, we made it. Port Greg's for a couple of days. And let's pull some shit out of here, or have a beer. Don't know. Maybe a beer. Oh.
Here's one I prepared earlier.
Oh, thank you.
Hang on.
Oh. How's that for service? Lovely.
Oh, hang on.
Oh. I don't know what to do.
There you go.
Oh, thank you. Very nice.
Wait. You just took a sip.
What did I do? Yeah, I had to test it. Cheers. Oh well, first time setting up the trailer in Tinny, so I'll see how long it takes. What's the time?
9:37.
Alright, cool. See how we go. I reckon it's going to be like 20 minutes.
Should I set a timer?
It'll be easy 20 minutes, I reckon.
Set a timer.
Alright. I can't even remember where all the pins go. Got a timer. Alright. Well, it was 23 minutes
23 seconds.
and 23 seconds, so I'm definitely gonna improve on that.
Well, it did include a trip back to the van to pick up the
Yeah,
rest of the
I
trailer
forgot
that you
bits.
left, so...
Yeah. Still got the light bar in there, but I'm not going to fit that because we're like 200 metres from the boat ramp. Sweet. I don't actually know if I've packed the sounder. My bad. Not that I need it anyway. It's just literally jump in the boat. First time on the beach. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, first day in, I thought I'd have myself a little flick and just heading down to the south end of the reef at Port Gregory here. Yeah, just going to try a little laser lure, 35 grammer. And I got a couple of extras in my pocket, but yeah, I'll have a flick around. Yeah, it's a lovely morning though. Oh, it's about midday now actually. Yeah, it looks like a deep channel just there, so I'll flick around in there. You never know. Nothing. I'll change spots. I'll just go down here a bit. A bit of a lure change. Went to a green, silver. I don't know, it's about a 25 grammer MJ tackle. See how it goes. Flicked a few lures around, but yeah, no, it's lovely. I did see a few little like I think they're whiting. You can see some just in there. So I've got a little bit of octopus, so I might chop a little bit of that up and see if I can snag a couple. Just going to use one of these pre-tied rigs from MJ's. Too slack to tie my own. It's heaps easier. So, first fish for the trip. Little whiting. I'll chuck him back. I think they're all going to be about that size. I just sight casted it, see a little school of them. Threw some bait in front of them and whammo, pump and wind. So I got a couple of little whiting and that was it. I did see one decent sized tailor swim past, but yeah, he didn't really want any squid. Yeah, we're definitely not living off the ocean tonight anyway. So beef roast it is.